So welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how to add watermark to our Lightroom app. So let's go ahead to open our Lightroom app. Then next thing to do is to import our particular video to this. So I'm just going to be clicking this to place it on a source. Then I'm going to go ahead to my file manager and I'm going to drag and drop the photo or just a random photo to use. So after this, I'm going to click on import. So I'm going to wait for this to load. Then the next thing to do is to go ahead to locate develop. So I'll tap on develop and straight just go ahead to your file. The next thing to do is to locate export. So I'm going to be scrolling down to locate watermark. So leave that side like that, locate watermark and tick the box of that watermark. Then click on this. So I want to put a new watermark. I'm going to click on edit watermark. So I already have some watermark installed there. Then the next thing to do is to click down and locate the watermark you want to add in your file manager. So I'm going to open my files and that's it. So this is it here, the hangers logo OG. I'm going to click this. I'm going to click on done. So you can see it at the top, at the bottom left corner. Then I'm going to drag this to the middle. So I'm going to increase the size. You can increase the size to whatever size you want to increase it to. I don't want this to be too big, so I'll reduce it a bit. Yeah. So I believe this is okay. Then go down to position it. So I'm going to be putting it at the bottom corner middle. So at the bottom middle right now. So that is it there. And you can also switch it to the upside. But I want it at the bottom and the middle and stuff. So that's it. You can decide to rotate this if you want to rotate. But let's leave it at the normal part. So after this, I'm just going to click on done. Then you can save it as whatever name you want to save it. So I'm going to put this as watermark. Hangers watermark. So click on done when you're done with this. So create. So the next thing to do is to export the image. And now let's go ahead to find out that picture. So this is what it looks like, and you can see the watermark there on the photo. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.